Whirlpool freezer alarms typically sound due to issues with the door seal, temperature sensor, or defrost system. These alarms are designed to prevent food spoilage and energy waste. Recent Whirlpool models, especially those in the smart appliances ecosystem launched in 2023, may receive over-the-air firmware updates to automatically reset alarms and diagnose problems via the Whirlpool app. First, try to silence the alarm by performing a defrost reset. This involves unplugging the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. For some models, like the WRX 735 SDBM, you may need to hold specific buttons simultaneously, such as freezer and ice, for 3 seconds. This action forces the freezer to cycle through the defrost mode, clearing potential error codes. If the defrost reset doesn't work, inspect the door seal. Check for wear or damage by inserting a dollar bill along the seal. If it pulls out easily, the seal needs replacement. A faulty door seal lets warm air in, triggering the alarm. Next, check the temperature sensor. While professional calibration is best, try unplugging and replugging the unit to reset the sensor. If the sensor is faulty, it might give false high-temperature readings. Now, examine the defrost system. Ice buildup on the coils or sensors indicates a defrost system problem. Ensure the defrost heater and timer are functioning. If you encounter error codes like E1, sensor fault, or E2, defrost issue, consult your user manual or Whirlpool's support resources for specific troubleshooting steps. Remember to always unplug the freezer before performing any maintenance to avoid electric shock.